welcome back to Officially Coco. So today, I tried a remix, it didn't work. But today, I'm going to be showing y'all I'm looking to the right, and it may look not to your right on your end, but I'm looking to my right, and I'm on Dillard's, because I want to make sure I'm telling y'all the right information. The only sizes available is a 6, 7, and an 8. These are the Geiger London Maddie Rainbow Slides. And I saw these slides a month ago. And I wanted to show you all. I decided to go ahead and show you, because I know y'all Geiger out. But I decided to show y'all anyway. So, again, y'all know I keep my shoes in here. But I do still have it in a box, because after I do the unboxing with y'all, well, it's not actually an unboxing because I did wear them twice, but to you all, it's an unboxing. So these are the Geiger London Maddie Rainbow Slides. So I'm gonna show y'all. I still can put the link in it. I bit my jaw. Hold up. I'm not lying. I am going to do it. I am going to put the link in the description so you all can check them out. If anyone wear a 6, 7, or 8. They look a little cloudy because I try to wipe them off. I didn't wipe this part, but it's more shinier than this. But this is the shoe. And for some reason, they not like that. So, I don't know. But that's how I got them. It's like an arch to them. But this is it. Let me see anything else I'm leaving out. These are synthetic upper eagle head, which you all see. I live for that. Y'all know I do. It's a rainbow pattern detail, as you can see. It's a slip-on styling. As you can see, you can slip your feet right on in. Synthetic lining, and it's a synthetic outsole. So, these are nice synthetic sandals. This is not leather. So, you all will like this. These are nice. So, excuse if it look cloudy. I had oil on. I normally put oil on my feet. So, I didn't get the oil off on this part, but they're much shinier than what you see. But this is it. This is the right one. This is the left one. So both of them are. And I can't get enough of that. That is too cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So if you're interested, I will put it in the description. Again, they only have 6, 7, and 8 available on the website. It comes in this box, of course. There's only one review. I'm going to put my review on there. Right now, it's a 5-star on here. These are nice slip-ons, I will have to say. If you like, it's more so, you know how jelly sandals were. If anyone in that era, you know what jelly sandals are. It have that type of vibe. And, you know, jelly sandals can be a little uncomfortable at times. I will have to say you can wear these, but not like a full 8 hours. These are like slip-ons, like I'm gonna run to the store, not mall shopping. No, don't walk in the mall with these. That's not gonna work. So do not do that. I don't think, because if you can see how thick these things are. No. And it's a little cushion, but again, if you know about jelly sandals, you know the thickness and the hard. After a while, your heel's going to be feeling like you got 5-inch heels on. So I don't think you want to wear these for no longer than a couple of hours. Just to run errands, like to the store. You know, little distant-wise. Nothing like going in a mall and you losing your mind and you shopping. Because I'm going to tell you one thing. You'll be buying another pair of shoes when you get in there. But overall, it is a good shoe. I only wore them 2 times. And I didn't have them on a full 8 hours. So, I just wanted to make sure I showed y'all those. And again, this is on Dillard's. The style of your life. This video is not sponsored. So, I just wanted to make sure I show y'all. And they have a sales and clearance. I haven't taken a look at that as of yet. But they do have a clearance going But for the most part, if you feel like you would like these, and add them to your collection, again, I will make sure I provide that information for you all. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to Officially Coco, make sure you all hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. And that way you won't miss any videos I will be uploading. And that way, you know, you need to turn on your notification bell. That way you will not miss any videos coming from Officially Coco. And I'll check y'all out in my next one. Make sure y'all be safe out here. Bye.